Hey everybody, thanks for joining us on the ride up Black Dragon Canyon in the San Rafael Swell in southern Utah. We'll do some rock scrambling, see some petroglyphs, and finish the tour off by seeing some wild burros. So sit back and enjoy the ride.
Easy peasy.
Hello everybody, hey, we are down here in the San Rafael Swell in southern Utah. We are getting ready to head out on a ride, and we are at the Black Dragon trailhead here, offload area, and we are headed up over that way and gonna go out for a ride and go up Black Dragon. So we'll catch you on the trail. It was right about here when camera 2 decided to fall off the rooftop mount. Alright, well, we made it up that little draw, just a little ways to the pictograph site. And looking for him. Oh, I see him up there. This is the Black Dragon pictographs. Right? Pictographs, right? Or is it petroglyphs? I always get those mixed up. I thought pictographs were like the painting, right? Pictures. Petroglyphs or etchings. It's hard to find them in the video camera. Oh, there they are. There's one.
Oh, there's the one, I think.
Yeah,
So
that's pretty
like the
cool.
dragon. Did you see it?
Yeah. Anyways, that's pretty cool.
That's really cool.
Yeah. It's always fun to see those. What a beautiful canyon. Zoom out so you can see more of this canyon we're in. Fairly warm day. It's in the 60s in here with the sunshine, and it's nice and warm. There's no wind. Do you see any other ones up in there, Tammy?
I don't know if these are real. Maybe these ones up there with the lines, with the red.
Yeah.
But some of these, I wonder if they're just made from just old background.
After checking out the pictographs, we jumped back in the buggy and headed up the canyon. So we made it up a little ways further up Black Dragon Canyon, and it is just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. It's one of those places where around every corner kind of changes the landscape. Easy peasy. That was fun. After playing around on the rocks, we headed up the canyon in search of the wild burros. Well, here we are up the trail a little ways further. That out there is the canyon we just came up through, Black Dragon Canyon. It comes up here and then there's this huge draw. Way cool. What do you think, Tammy?
It's awesome.
We haven't seen any wild burros yet. We're hoping to. There is water down in the bottom of the draw. Down in there. Look up here! Look up here! Nobody answered. Having a good time. One video I saw, they weren't scared of the Jeeps. When you're away from this, it's not that loud. Oh, rock climbing here. Not even a four-wheel. Right up it. No big deal. So Tammy and I made it up on top of this little bluff area. We've been wanting to see a wild donkey, and there's one right over there. What do you think of that?
Pretty cool.
Yeah, we've been scouting the whole time, and then we could see tracks on the ground and poo droppings, whatever. It's poo, and we kept saying there's got to be one around here somewhere. And then we found one. Where'd he go? There he is. There's Donkey. I don't know where Shrek is, but there's Donkey. Aww. Thanks for joining us today as we rode up Black Dragon Canyon in the San Rafael Swell. The next ride we do is down Eagle Canyon. For now, sit back and enjoy the time lapse as we travel back to the truck and trailer. We'll see you next time on the trail. Remember, get out there.